I've been fat for 26 years. Y'all heard that? 26 fucking years. Oh, 1 cup of Rouse ain't gonna do nothing to me.
I drip on your bitch like water.
You need to turn your head. Ew, Sariana's mad fake. You hear?
Hey, boy! I don't even think they got me.
Period.
Period.
With it.
Yeah, we're so nice. We literally
Move it, baby. Stick it, baby. Baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my little sister.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
My name's SARIANA. That's pretty much it. I'm Samantha's sister.
I'm weak. Okay, so this is my little sister. We're 6 years apart. She chopped off a lot of hair, like a lot of hair. Maybe I'll insert a picture into here.
Yeah.
She chopped off her hair. She just wanted to start fresh. Her hair was very, very damaged. It had color. It had heat damage. So
orangutan color.
yeah, it was like you wanted to go blonde, but it was type orange. So like, yikes. Anyways, yeah, she cut her hair. Complete transformation. Her hair grew a lot. It's been how long? 2 years now?
No, so I did it October
2017.
of 2017.
Yeah,
so
almost like a year and a
yeah.
half now. And her hair grew so much. Like she was able to bleach it. It's blonde. It's bright. It's babbing.
I'm blonde, so okay.
What? No. No, it looks really good. So I did this.
Ice me out.
Let me tell you.
Ice me
You're
out,
gonna
sis.
see in this video what I did to achieve this look. But before we get started, I know you're watching this video and you still haven't clicked that button.
Facts.
That big red button that says subscribe. Cause I see the views, you know, I got a calm amount of views, but then the subscribers don't match. So like you find yourself coming back every week, but
Real ass, don't give a fuck about some of this channel.
oh God.
I need to go to bed.
No, but for real.
That's what I
Like
need to do.
subscribe like this. If you want to click the bell, you can click that bell, you know, get a cute little notification on your phone, on your laptop, on your watch. I saw someone got a notification on their watch last week. So yeah, do that, please. Support your girl if you're gonna watch. So what I used today was a new line by Shea Moisture. They sent over a box with the complete collection. And I am so hyped, guys. Like, this is so cool. They sent over shampoo, conditioner, curl primer, a gel, a oil, all in one box. Let me show you real quick. I hope you can see.
Fire, fuego.
What the heck? Like, these are full-size products. I'm still in shock. Still want to thank Shea Moisture. Every single week I thank them. Like, I really appreciate this. This is awesome. Having this chance to review these products is amazing. This time, use the products on my sister. Yeah, look at her. Look at her curls. My God.
You know how we doing. 516. I mean 917.
So keep watching. You'll see what I did to refresh her hair. We did not wash her hair. She washed her hair last Sunday.
I'm dirty.
Today is Friday. So that's what, 5 days?
Mm-hmm.
She has gone 5 days without washing her hair. You'll see what it looked like, you know, just a couple hours ago. And yeah, I used these products to refresh it. And this looks brand spanking new. Like, she can go through the weekend looking cute or whatever, thanks to her big sis. Right?
Sure.
Right. Anyways,
Right.
keep watching. Stay tuned.
Period.
Period.
With the I do? Okay. I don't want to smile and look mad doofy, though. Oh, now I'm uncomfortable.
That sweater is really cute. Where'd you get it from?
Sheen.
She inside?
No, it's Sheen. Isn't it Sheen?
It's Shein.
Is she in?
See, every time I would tell someone to Shein, they would be
No,
like, nah,
Sariana
Sheen.
says Cheyenne.
She